Welcome back, everybody. So this week, I was lucky enough to get out with a friend. And even though he was a little gimpy, he's one of those guys who is always smiling and having a great time. And in the end, isn't that really the point? Success was had on a size 18 emerger pattern, but I'm really stocking up on soft hackle patterns. I'm kind of a sucker for them. Heck, I even sneak some on my pheasant tails every now and then. I hope you're getting out doing some fishing, and if not, I hope you're planning on doing it soon. Spring is here, and it's time to get going. Tight lines, everybody.